Hey everybody, I'm Stacey Lynn, and today I am making my favorite summer drink, really, and it's a watermelon lemonade. It is so delicious, and it's the second thing I look forward to in the summer after the ripe tomatoes. I look forward to this sweetest watermelon. We have so many watermelons growing this year. Sometimes they get eaten by rodents or whatever's out in the garden, rabbits, whatever, but this year we have gotten so many great ones. We have a lot of yellow ones, which would be kind of cool for a lemonade, but I wanted to show you with the classic red watermelon. The first thing I do is make a simple syrup, and I have a half a cup of sugar to a little bit of water, about half a cup of water. And so I'm just gonna make sure that that gets nice and dissolved. And once it does, I'll turn it off and put a little bit, I like to go ahead and put a little bit of ice into it once it's dissolved, because it will be too hot with the watermelon drink, and I'm gonna get it kind of cold, and so everything in there will be nice and cold. And I don't know if you know or not, but watermelon has a ton of vitamin A and vitamin C, both which are just like fabulous for you, and that are good for antioxidants, keeping you well, keeping inflammation down. I added the ice to the hot liquid because I don't want that heat getting into my great lemonade. Okay, so I'm going to turn watermelon in my blender here. I'm about to blend that. I'm going to do it one more time to make sure that it's nice and blended. All right, and now I have a pitcher here. And of course you can do more than this, but this is what my recipe says. So I'm going to do exactly as it says. So this recipe is in my book, Love Language of the South. And if this is not speaking my love language, I don't know what is. All right. So I'm gonna just strain this over here because I don't want any of the pulp in here. I want it to be nice and clear. I've been eating so much watermelon today. While I was planning on doing this, so I've just been munching on it, and so I am like, man, I'm gonna be so bloated from that, but it's so delicious, and it actually has so much. It's got 96% water. I was reading that just a little while ago, and so it hydrates you so well. It's gonna be great. I love eating watermelon every day during the summertime. Almost there. All right, so there we go, strained that, and I'm gonna add now about a half of a cup of lemon juice. It's about 3 lemons juice, pretty large lemons. Okay, I'm gonna give that a stir, and then I'm gonna add in my simple syrup. All right, and I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit more water. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little taste before I pour it into my glass. So good. Okay, pour it into my glass. And there you go. So good. I cannot wait to share this with my friends. We have a big birthday party this weekend, and this is definitely on the menu. This is great for teas, for showers, or just to have at a barbecue. I hope you will go and try this weekend and enjoy your watermelon lemonade. Don't forget, it's in my book, Love Language of the South, and you can also get this recipe on my website at stacylynnharris.com, and it's down in the text.